Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy DJ Soul Force. This video was inspired by a friend of mine, Ryan, over at RD Drone Reviews. Ryan has the DHK Maximus, and of course I have the DHK Zombie. They're both 8-scale, 4-wheel drive monster trucks. Ryan did a speed test on his Maximus, and I always was curious as to what's the big difference between a Maximus and a Zombie. Both of them are basically built on almost the same chassis. I think the Maximus may have a longer wheelbase, but it's no wider. And the Maximus comes with a 120 amp ESC, so you can run it all the way up to probably about 6S. The Zombie came with a 100 amp ESC, guys. In Ryan's test, he ran it on 4S, so I'm going to run, let's start my screen recorder here. I'm going to run this one on 4S as well, guys. After watching Ryan's video, I wrote him and asked what GPS app he was using for his smartphone. And I'm not sure if I got the same app or not, but I have one that's fairly accurate. I'm using a elastic Velcro strap here. You can see I have my phone wrapped up in the outer box, so I got it protected as well. To start the app, it was just that little play button that I pressed. I'm also going to record this on my Mobius Mini, so we'll have some dash cam. Okay, so we are recording. I did a few changes to my Zombie, guys. I also want to give a shout out to Donnie at Big Drone Flyer 77, who's got some nice videos, some tips, tricks, and shortcuts on the Zombie. Donnie, I did some rewiring. I rerouted the wires, and I also moved the ESC. The Zombie came with the ESC in the back of the chassis, but they used a very thin piece of double-sided tape, guys, and it didn't hold on very long. Okay, what we're going to do now is just a short run just to check on the GPS. To make sure it is working. Alright, so it registered that little short run at 5 miles per hour. If this app is working correctly, it should average out our speed and also give me my top speed. Just a couple of little quick checks. I'm doing a screen recording on the phone, so you guys will be able to follow the numbers. And we got the dash cam going on. This is only my second run on 2S. My particular Zombie came with no batteries and no charger, but with the 100 amp ESC, I figure that's rated for about 3S, 4S at the max. So yeah, I've been babying it. I haven't run it on 4S very much. Let's get in the middle of the block here so I can get a nice long running start with it. Okay, here we go. Full throttle. Look at those wheels ballooning. Wow. They call those pizza cutters when the wheels... I knew that was going to happen, but oh, she landed on her feet. I need a steering trim, guys. So most of the time I can send this zombie hauling ass down the street, let go of the steering wheel, and not have to make any adjustments. Okay, here we go, full throttle. Wow, that is cool. She's hauling ass. Oh shit. Oh shit. I wish she had tapped his horn or something. I didn't know that guy was there. Oh, I know, damn, man. I wish you had blown your horn. I didn't know you was there. My bad. Come on out and check your car. It got a little... I'm good, but I may have knocked something loose from your car, man. I'm making a film. I had my camera on there and my phone.
Yeah, stop.
I didn't know you was there, though. I wish you had tapped your horn and let me know you was there.
Yeah, I put this back.
Okay, that just snaps on.
Yeah, stop. I said, oh, he seen me.
Man, my back was turned. That's gonna be on YouTube there, brother. I hope I didn't mess nothing up too bad. Cause I'm looking at about $300 of damage right here. Hey, yeah, I'm good. I'll be able to rebuild it. Appreciate it, man. You good?
Oh, yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
All right. Hey, let me give you my card. I'm a YouTuber though. Look for Soul Force. Look for DJ Soul Force on YouTube. That shit's gonna go viral right there. Man. I'm like, damn, that was a monster truck just ran into an SUV. I was trying to do a speed test. I had GPS on it tracking the speed.
That's it fast.
Type it in for me, man. I don't have my glasses on.
What?
Soul, S-O-U-L Force.
S-O-U-L?
Yeah, DJ Soul Force on YouTube.
You right here?
That's me right there. I was getting ready to run this one next. That's a different car, though. That's a different car. But yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
Oh, she's still running. Look at that shit.
I mean, the front just messed up, though.
No, that's a plastic shell. I should be able to just put a little heat on it and puff it back out. I'm surprised she's still running. Oh, get the fuck out of here. I don't know if I got to clock that speed, but she was hauling ass. She was doing 38 miles an hour in a 25. I was speeding, so I got no gripes, man. If you good, I'm good, man. All right, thanks, man. What's gonna make the video hot is, look, you actually ran over it. When you stopped, I was like, oh man, shit. And then you went whoop over it a little bit. It is still running.
I know which way it was. You know what I'm saying?
It's still running. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna sell a lot of these, boy.
The wheel and
huh?
You build them?
No, I bought it.
Okay.
I bought it.
At least the wheels.
My channel is a drone channel. I fly drones.
Oh
I see
yeah.
you around here doing the...
You see me flying drones? So I just got into the cars. She's still running. I'm like, oh.
That's nice.
But,
That's pretty good.
yeah, I think I broke my camera, but my phone's still working. The car's still working. This is cool though, dude. I ain't mad. I ain't mad at all. I'm like, oh shit, my boy's gonna love this.
I see it now. From right here. I see
Yeah,
that
we
shit.
slowed down.
I see that shit went fast as fuck.
That
I come right here, I stopped. And then you
I didn't hear you. I didn't hear nothing, man. I was like, damn, I wish he would have tapped his horn, let me know. Cause she was running out the street and I was trying to bring it in closer to me. And that's how I ended up under your wheel. Your wheel actually ran over the car. And then she's still running. I'm like, oh shit. Check the channel out later tonight. That video should be up. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Cause oh, it was funny. It's funny to me too. Shit, I don't have insurance on her. We still recording right now. We recording right now.
Nobody in the road while you doing it.
Oh, baby, you look good though. You'll be all right. All right, big dog. Appreciate it, man. And get his license plate. Just make sure. Woo! She took a hell of a beating. Looked like I might be able to survive this with just a new body, guys, but she's still running. Let's go ahead and shut that down. I had my ESC mounted way up high on the center brace. Looks like we did take some structural damage there, guys. I will update you guys and keep you posted on how the repairs turn out. And we'll go back and check those numbers on the GPS, guys. It's your boy DJ Soul Force, the zombie looking like a damn zombie now. We're out of here. First of all, guys, I am totally shocked by two things. Look at this thing. When I hit that car, he proceeded to roll forward and actually put the full weight of his car on top of my car. And to my shock and surprise, I pulled the trigger on the throttle and the zombie kept rolling. I'm thinking I might be able to maybe warm this up a little bit. I don't even look like I gotta warm it up. I did have the inside of my body reinforced with, you can see the black electrical tape there, which prevents cracking and tearing in the body. I do have some awfully bad dents in it, so I'm gonna have to order a new shell for it. The chassis is bent too. You can see one of these tires way up higher than the other tires, so that is a shame. Oh, my shock tower is bent. She's got a lot of damage going on in there. My Mobius Mini took a big hit. The ESC appears to be fine. Well, we know it's still working because the car was still moving. The receiver was jarred. It's still sticking. It's still, the double-sided sticky tape is still holding on that. I put double-sided sticky tape on that one. So we know all the electrical components are working right now, guys, but she did suffer some severe structural damage. There's almost no repair for this except for replacing the chassis, which means you darn near gotta rebuild the whole car again. But I tell you, that was thrilling and exciting. None of the A-arm broke. Not too much damage there. I may be able to straighten that chassis out with a pair of pliers or something like that. We'll give it a try, and I'll keep you guys updated on how this one turns out. Ryan, looks like I might be getting that DHK Maximus after all, guys. It's your boy DJ Soul Force. Back to the bench. Bye, y'all. I'm out of here.